This is Tyrone and welcome to the Property Scout channel. For today's video, we're going to give you an exclusive tour of this incredible unit that is located in one of the luxurious condos here in Bangkok, the Royce Private Residences. So Royce Private Residences is a luxurious building. It has top-notch facilities like the swimming pool, fitness center, and the garden area, which actually gives its tenants and owners that luxurious living experience. This building is actually located on Sukhumvit Road, so you will get a convenient access to BTS Asok, BTS Rompong, and MRT Sukhumvit. If you're thinking about shopping, you love shopping, you don't have to worry about it because this building is actually surrounded by major shopping malls like M Sphere, M Quartier, and Terminal 21, just to name a few. This particular unit has its own private elevator. So upon entering the unit, you will be welcomed by this massive living space. Now, this unit has 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and a total size of 111.33 square meters. Now, what I appreciate about this unit is its straightforward design. So it actually gives you a modern feel, which I appreciate. You have here an enormous couch, very comfortable, and on this side you have the television. And on that side, you have the dining area. So let's go ahead and check it out. So it can accommodate up to 4 people. And I really like its solid design. It has a glass countertop. Imagine whether you are staying at the living area, watching your favorite movie, or maybe here, enjoying your sumptuous meal with your family, you have this amazing backdrop. So you can see here, what a breathtaking view of central Bangkok. This is the kitchen area. So it has so many prep areas here. So you have here an extra countertop. Now I like this design because they use a black quartz, which is very durable. And I also like the kitchen cabinets. I like the intricate designs here. And you have here an enormous range hood, the stovetop, microwave oven, and there's a convection oven and a fridge. So here's the balcony area. Actually, I was quite impressed because this is quite massive. It's very spacious because you can actually fit a coffee table and then 2 chairs, having your warm latte in the morning and enjoying the morning breeze of Bangkok. So now let's check the other areas of this unit. Now, so this is the entrance of the unit. On this side, you'll have a room for your utility. So you can actually put all your stuff here. And then here, before going to the second bedroom, we have here the common bathroom. They play on the white, black colors. So you'll have here a nice marble countertop and a very nice bathroom fixtures. Here we are at the second bedroom. Normally, when we talk about 2 bedrooms, in most of the condominiums that I've been to, the second bedroom is quite small, quite compact. But the good thing about this unit is that even if it's a second bedroom, you can actually consider this as a master's bedroom because it's quite huge. And you know, just check this out. You can actually fit a queen-size bed here in the second bedroom. And again, you'll appreciate this amazing view of Bangkok because of this enormous window. Okay, before we check on the master's bedroom, let me just mention about this wall. This is quite huge. You know, it's basically empty right now. So if you are planning to buy this property, then definitely you can just play around, put all your items here. And here, we can find the closet. And then on this side, we have here the master's bathroom. Again, the design is very consistent and you have here a bathtub. Then your bathtub has a nice view of central Bangkok. Amazing master's bedroom. So as you can see, it can fit a king-size bed. And then in front of it, you have here a working table. So, you know, you can actually just stay here, work, and you can enjoy this amazing view of central Bangkok. Actually, I always highlight the fact that, you know, this unit gives you a very nice view because, again, not all condos can provide you with this one. But since this unit has a very enormous window, then you can actually appreciate the beauty of this view. So that's about this incredible unit here at Royce Private Residences. Now, just to give you a quick recap, this unit has 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and a total size of 111.33 square meters. So if you're interested, don't hesitate to contact one of our professional property consultants. You can reach them out using the contact details available in the description area. So as always, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more videos. So again, thank you so much and have a great day.